everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about cloud security best practices from the Cloud Security Alliance. The Cloud Security Alliance is a non-profit organization dedicated to defining and raising awareness of best practices for providing security assurance within cloud computing, and provides education on the uses of cloud computing to help secure all other forms of computing. The CSA has developed a number of cloud security best practices to help organizations protect their data and applications in the cloud. These best practices are based on the CSA's Cloud Security Guidance, which is a comprehensive document that provides guidance on all aspects of cloud security. Cloud security best practices. Implement a shared responsibility model. The Cloud Security Shared Responsibility Model defines the security responsibilities of cloud providers and cloud customers. It is important for organizations to understand their shared responsibility model and to implement the necessary security controls. To protect their data and applications in the cloud, use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication are essential for protecting cloud accounts from unauthorized access. Organizations should encourage their employees to use strong passwords and MFA for all cloud accounts. Keep software up to date. Software updates often include security patches that can help to protect cloud resources from unknown vulnerabilities. Organizations should keep their cloud software up to date to reduce the risk of cyber attack. Encrypt data at rest and in transit. Data encrypt in the process of converting data into a format that is unreadable to unauthorized users. Organizations should encrypt data at rest and in transit to protect it from unauthorized access. Use a cloud security posture management tool. A CSPM tools can help organizations to access and monitor the security posture of their cloud environment. A CSPM tool can identify security vulnerabilities and misconfigurations in a cloud environment. Use a cloud security information and event management tool. A cloud SIEM tool can help organizations to collect and analyze security logs from their cloud environment. A cloud SIEM tools can help organizations to identify security threats and incidents. Use a cloud incident response platform, a CIR platform that can help organizations to automate and orchestrate their incident response process. A CIR platform can help organizations to respond to security incidents quickly and effectively. Conduct regular security audits. Organizations should conduct regular security audits of their cloud environment to identify and address security vulnerabilities. That's all for today. I hope you've understood the topic. Thank you so much, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.